Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to teach you how to mod Manus Project Nexus. So you need two things for this. Number one, the game. You can just buy that game on Steam. It's a great game anyways, and you should play it. Next, you will need DNSpy. DNSpy is a tool that allows us to view C# source code. It also allows us to debug it. And you can read DLL files and exe files with it. Just go into its GitHub page. All this will be linked in the description. And all you need to do is just download either these two files, Win32 and Win64. If you're on any other operating system like Linux or Mac, you'll have to build it from the source code right here. So, then, once you get Manus Combat, you want to go into Steam and go into, just right-click on the game in the Steam launcher. Once you have brought it, of course, go into Manage, browse local files, and you'll be greeted with this folder right here. Just go into Manage Project Nexus _data, then go into Manage, and we have a bunch of DLL files. Most of these are libraries. The most important one is this file right here. It's a source code. So you want to copy it into your own modding folder, and before you even make any changes to it, make a backup. So just copy the file and just name this -backup. Well, once you've done all that, we need to open DNSpy. So navigate to where you can download DNSpy or put DNSpy and just run that. So as we can see, I need to actually close a file for a sec. Let me just close stuff I was working on previously. And just drag this assembly C# DLL. Then you wanna go in here. Actually, let me drag in all the. Actually, I won't be able to drag this in a different folder. So then, wait, let me just drag these into the folder. That's kind of a smart choice to drag all these, because you'll get all the libraries as well. So you can just drag all this. I will just put this on my modding folder. So, oh crap! I just moved the files. Just paste that back in. Whoops. There we go. Alright. So we can just drag literally all these files in. So let's open the rest of these files, and yeah. The reason why we need all these files is because these are important libraries. So there they are. Uni library stuff. Then go into this dash or minus symbol right here and open it up. And here we have the entire source code to Manus Combat Project Nexus. So, in this tutorial, we are going to be unlocking Manus mode from the start. So, we can just type in Manus via the search bar here. If it isn't there, it should be in a search assembly something, I think. Where edit search assembly. There you go. But I think it should be there from the start. And then just type in Manus in there, and we get a few results. Now, because we're trying to unlock it, this function seems like our go-to thing. So, this does all the locking. This just makes it so that you can't interact with it, and it sets that to in-locked, and then negates that. But then we have enabled in-lock. In-lock means if it's locked or not. So yeah, we negate that so it's false if it's true. And then we just enable the locked icon. To disable Manus mode, we can just type in a font. Wait, oh yeah, I forgot. You need to go to edit while you're in a classic. Edit classic. I always keep forgetting. In this function, we need to set this to true. This allows us to interact with it. Then we just need to set the lock icon to false so it doesn't appear. And when we compile that, if you don't get any errors, you're all good. Now, there probably won't be a tutorial series on this because a lot of the stuff you're going to be doing right here is just search something you want to edit, bam, bam. There might be an episode on weapons because those are a different thing, but this might be the only episode, alright? So once we have done that, we can save the module, and we just save that in the path. Now, after we're done saving it, we can close out DNSpy, and we can just drop this guy in. we can replace a file. This is why you need a backup. Then I will just remove all of this other libraries because we don't need them to compile anymore. Though I'd recommend keeping them somewhere. I'm just going to delete them because they're kind of clutter in this folder. I like to keep things neat and I don't have an extra folder for them on. So, just copy the original mod folder here. So now, once you are done doing your changes, you want to launch Madness Project Nexus, right? It's gonna load the new changes to our assembly. See, start. Also, if you don't know what we're doing here, we're actually editing the assembly of the code right here. DSPy just helps us decompile this so we're not editing raw assembly or, let's just say, obfuscate assembly. Because, yeah, if you look into DL files, normally you won't see nice source code, you'll see an absolute mess. So, Manage Project Nexus is going to load, and we can go into arena mode, and I will show you that we've basically unlocked Madness mode. This does take quite a bit to load, so you know that kind of sucks. Kind of find a fucking modding, but it's not because we are modding it; it's because it just takes quite a bit to load. There we go. Okay, so we should be in the main menu. I'm anytime now. Alright, here we go. So, we go into Arena Combat. Not Story Campaign, because there's still some stuff I have to do in that. So we can continue the game I was doing right here. So, once it's done loading, we'll navigate our way to one mission that I haven't completed yet. Right here. Okay, let's navigate right. Should be in the lobby right here. So I don't really need to, you know, read through the dialogue. We just need to make it to the mission, which I think was beyond right now. I think it was it on the right? You don't have to use useful arrows. So after that snazzy gun, I was too stupid to realize that there's a bus I was going to go to. And as you can see, this pilot episode, this thing, you don't really unlock madness on this. I haven't been this. As you can see, our mod has worked. We now can play madness mode without actually being stuff. Pretty cool, right? That's pretty much it for the video. There's not really much to talk about for the basics. I just want to get you into the flow of modding stuff. So, yeah. Another pretty short video, I think. I mean, I'll put an editor note if it isn't actually short at all. But, yeah, I hope you learned something from this. Haven't found any resources on my Madness Project Nexus, so, you know, I'm just gonna give them to you. So, anyways, have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video, live stream or devlog. Peace!